I might get away from that.
Oh, it's a dud.
Whoa! No, it isn't.
It should squirt something out of every one of the holes on there, I would think.
There's only one hole.
See, it's coming out of the hole.
Oh yeah.
Comes another one.
So far, it's gone for 30 seconds. Now it's coming out of another hole.
Oh, it's shooting flares.
I think it should have one hole at the end too.
Yeah.
One more.
Maybe I should split the whole top.
It's gone for over a minute.
You should split the whole top.
I was right, it went for about a minute.